you guys a little POV. I guess it started raining out of nowhere, so I'll still give it some for you guys to entertain you guys. But running to the gas station to fill this car up. And if you ever hear the radar, I'm keeping it on, that way I can give you guys some better content. But if it keeps going off a lot and there's nothing, I'll turn it off for you guys. But then we got people in front of us that are going under the speed limit. Does not help. gas station. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see besides POV. I have a couple mods coming for the car that I'll record videos for, but if you like these videos and like the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment on this video what you want to see next on the channel. That's not necessarily just POVs. And I'm going to fill it up, and my bank's going to be hurting after this, but we'll be good.